Well, ang nakita po natin sa labang ito ay ang 45-year-old na Manny Pacquiao. Ang Pacquiao na walang laban for the last 3 years. He was slow, almost plodding. Sabi nga po natin, yung authority na suntok, walang masyadong sync, walang masyadong balances sa footwork. Ano? Well, aminado naman tayo, sabi nga natin, 3 taon pong walang laban at napakatangkad ng kanyang kalaban, si Anpo, no? Outside din siya sa kanyang fighting weight because this fight was fought at the catch weight of around 152 pounds, so around junior middleweight.
Yes.
Hindi naman po ito ang weight class na balikan ni Manny Pacquiao. He's going down to 147. Pero nakita po natin yung edad. Nakita po natin, tinatamaan siya eh. Tinatamaan siya, no? He was easily getting hit. Mahaba yung Anpo was getting a lot of punches in. Sabi nga natin, exhibition ito. Pero siguro kung iniskura nito, baka natalo siya.
Yes.
Kung iniskura nito. Yun ang opinion ng maraming international observers, writers, na had this been a scoring fight, although sabi nga natin, maigsi lang ang laban eh. Maraming hindi naman po ito totoong laban. So kahit paano, medyo hold your criticism sapagkat it was only an exhibition fight. But like I said, ito sana ang barometer para makita natin kung may ibubuga pa yung Manny Pacquiao. Right now, if you're going to tell me kung talagang gusto ni Manny Pacquiao na labanan si Mario Barrios for the welterweight championship, I think he needs a tune-up, JM. I think he needs a tune-up. I think it would be very risky kung didiretso po si Manny Pacquiao sa isang laban kontra kay Mario Barrios after what we saw in the exhibition fight kontra kay Anpo.
Alam mo, Tony, lagi natin sinasabi, the power is the last one to go. Athleticism, ayan yung mga unang nawawala eh, 'di ba? Yung speed, masasabi natin meron pa rin speed yung Manny Pacquiao, pero alam mo, Tony, from what he saw, I think the legs are gone. The reflexes are not the same. He was so easily hit, He was so easily hit. It was, it was just a 3-round fight. He was so easily hit at an alarming rate, and I think that's a cause of concern supposedly if he really wants to get back in that ring, and if he really wants to go back into a world title contention. Medyo nakakatakot, attorney. Nakakatakot. I agree that he might want to do a tune-up before going there again, but don't you think it's too late, attorney? I mean, 45 years old, and after what we saw, I mean, we're not stopping Manny Pacquiao to fight, but I think there are fights out there na much safer for him, attorney.
Well, alam mo, sabi nga po natin, paulit-ulit po natin sinasabi, para na tayong broken record, wala naman talagang dapat nang i-accomplish si Manny Pacquiao. 8th Division World Champion, multi-million purses. What is there? What mountain is there left for Manny Pacquiao to climb, sa aking opinion? Yun nga lamang, sabi nga natin, nafe-feel pa rin niya yung boxing itch. Remember, before this fight, ang dami niyang pinlaplano, hindi ba? Si Buakaw, pinlano niya yung panalo, kung sino man nanalo kay Errol Spence, tsaka kay Terence Crawford, pero hindi rin kinagat ng mga tao. Gusto niya lumaban sa Olympics. Nireject siya ng IOC sapagkat overage na siya para sa Olympics. So nakikita mo, he's talking boxing, he wants to fight again, pero sabi nga po natin, sa nakita natin, yung Barrios, batang-bata. Kinuha nila si Anpo kasi kasing taas nitong si Barrios. Anpo is a kickboxer, not even a full-fledged boxer. And yet he was hitting Manny Pacquiao. Paano pa yung full-fledged boxer na si Barrios? People are saying, tinalo niyan, may talo na yan. That's not the point eh. He's not the same Manny Pacquiao anymore. Yung doon po tayo natatakot. We have to separate muna yung ating imahe ni Manny Pacquiao na yung batang Pacquiao, yung mabilis na Pacquiao. Medyo i-separate muna po natin sa ating pag-iisip at ating pong i-focus yung Pacquiao na kasalukuyan. Yung kasalukuyan na Pacquiao, 45, 3 years inactive, talo sa kanyang huling labang kontra kay Ugas. You're talking Mario Barrios, 6 feet tall, knocked down Ugas with a jab, and the guy's young, fresh. Sabi nga po natin, a younger Pacquiao would demolish Barrios. Ano?
Ay,
Yung
oo.
batang Pacquiao, oo. Parang nag-Barrio Fiesta lang. Si Pacquiao, yung bata. Kung yung batang
Oo.
Pacquiao ang mga kalaban ni
Yeah.
Barrios, Barrio Fiesta
Not in
yan.
the same league. Not in the
Oo,
same league.
papapakin lang siya, smorgasbord of punches. But
Oo.
reality is different. He's 45. Ano? He struggled in that exhibition fight. Remember Floyd Mayweather, nananockout pa nga ni Mayweather yung kalaban niya even though it's only an exhibition. He was struggling here. He was struggling here. Hirap siya sa distansya. Napakalaki po talaga nung Anpo. But he wanted to use that fight as a barometer kontra kay Barrios. We did not see any sign that he can conquer Barrios in that exhibition fight. Kaya sabi ko nga, kailangan talaga pag-isipan ng mabuti kung itutuloy pa yung Mario Barrios. And if you ask any expert right now, with what we saw, ang only reservation lang natin dito, exhibition lang naman yon. At hindi ito talaga ang timbang ni Manny Pacquiao. Bababa po siya sa 147, mas bibilis. At syempre, alam niya, totoong laban na ito. But then again, it's going to be very, very rough sailing para kay Manny Pacquiao kung talaga gusto pa niyang bumalik.
Alam mo, Tony, bago natin makalimutan, itong laban ni Manny Pacquiao na exhibition nito, supposedly, it was against Chihiro Suzuki.
Yes,
diba?
yes.
A much, smaller fighter. And reportedly, Chihiro Suzuki broke his hand in training, kaya pinadsurkiyaan po. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, actually, nakita ko pa yun, sabi nila kasi, hindi it's boxing rules, so pabor pa rin kay Manny. Of course, experience. The guy is 45 years old. Sa mga actually, sa mga malalapit sa mga nakakausap ko, nung in-announce ng laban na ito, sabi ko, I'm really worried for Manny Pacquiao kasi nakita ko mag-boxing yung Anpo nag-sparring pa to kay Sean Strickland At ewan ko, nakita mo yung video na yon. Former UFC middleweight. Ang laki ng Strickland in-sparring niya, bigay siya Strickland, hindi naman siya lumuhod, hindi naman siya dopa. So, I knew that there was no way that Manny Pacquiao was going to knock this guy out. Okay? He's younger, he's bigger, he has speed. I was really worried for Manny Pacquiao in this fight. And true enough, nakita natin, no, his reflexes are gone talagang. He was so easily hit in that fight. It was hard to watch. Attorney. Kasi knowing na kung yung batang Manny Pacquiao, they don't belong in the same ring. Diba?
Yes, sabi ko nga, Barrio Fiesta. Papapakin siya.
Barrios, those guys don't belong in the same ring as Manny Pacquiao. Ang hindi ko kasi maintindihan, attorney, bakit pati sa exhibition, parang parang hindi pa, alam mo yung Manny Pacquiao na kahit sinong itapat nyo sa akin, sinong ilagay nyo sa ring, lalabanan ko lang. Kasi nabanggit mo kanina si Mayweather, attorney, ito namang mga boxing exhibition ni Mayweather, puro kenkoy lang naman. Diba? Well, to be fair, kenkoy lang din naman yung huling exhibition ni Manny, yung DKU, kenkoy lang yun, hindi naman
mas
boxing.
lalo kenkoy talaga yun.
Oo, ayun, kenkoy talaga yun, di ba? I think he's a martial arts content creator na mukhang payaso. So ito, talaga, even though he's not a boxer, professional kickboxer, at may ibubukit, I was worried for him, attorney. And you know what, attorney? Ang ganda nung sinabi mo Sa mga tao ngayon, kailangan natin i-separate that this Manny Pacquiao, we have to look at the present, not at the past. Kasi sasabihin natin, bubugbugin lang to ni Manny, ganito lang ni Manny, di ba? Kasi mas may experience, malakas, mabilis, 8 division champion. But we're talking about what? Manny Pacquiao of 2009, 2010, 2011. It's already 2024. Yes. Diba? Sakit po yan ng maraming fans Alam mo, attorney, kung saan pa may ibang sakit niyan? Bukod kay Manny Pacquiao, alam mo yung mga ibang fans na nagsasabi, si Casimiro, ang lakas, kinakatakutan. Kapag titingnan nyo yung Casimiro ngayon, duduwal-duwal sa corner, di ba, hihingal-hingal, kapag sineselebrate pa rin nila yung laban kay Solani Tete, kailan, years ago pa yun. 'Di ba? Tingnan natin kung ano yung estado, ano yung nilalaro ng boxer ngayon. It's the same thing with Manny Pacquiao. Of course, ibibigay natin sa kanila yung experience, 'di ba? Ibibigay natin sa kanila yon, but then again, it's 2024. It's a whole different landscape. It's a whole different game.